Bitcoin tumbles as wild crypto market swing causes $310 million losses from liquidations. The CoinDesk Market Index, CMI, which tracks the performance of the broader crypto market, plummeted 5.6% in an hour. Crypto markets tumbled suddenly Wednesday afternoon, erasing gains from the previous 24 hours in less than an hour. The CoinDesk Market Index, CMI, which tracks the performance of the broader crypto market, plummeted 5.6% in an hour, and has been currently trading 1.3% lower than 24 hours ago. Bitcoin, BTC, the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, was recently trading at about $28,275, up a fraction of a percentage point but down from its peak early Wednesday above $30,000. BTC sank as low as $27,264 later in the day. Ether, ETH, was recently trading at $1,855, down slightly. The second largest crypto in market value soared as high as $1,984 before dipping to a low of $1,789 Wednesday afternoon, its lowest price since the first part of April. Traders endured some $310 million of losses from liquidations in the past 24 hours, according to CoinGlass data, as the wild swing in crypto prices liquidated both long and short positions. Blockchain analysis firm Arkham Intelligence noted that crypto trading giant Jump Trading deposited $26.6 million of BTC to exchanges before prices tumbled. Sending tokens to exchanges usually indicates an intention to sell. CBDCs are designed to destroy all the value of Bitcoin. U.S. Senator Ted Cruz. Senator Cruz said the only intention to use a CBDC is to destroy all value of Bitcoin, to destroy anonymity, to destroy decentralization. Introducing a central bank digital currency, CBDC, would be profoundly dangerous to society as it would mean the government having visibility into every single transaction of its citizens, according to Texas Senator Ted Cruz. I am very concerned about the risk of a CBDC, Cruz stated during the Bitcoin Policy Summit on Wednesday. Drawing parallels between President Joe Biden's executive order that directed the Federal Reserve to explore the launch of CBDC and China's experiments with the digital yuan, Cruz said that the intention of using a CBDC is to destroy all value of Bitcoin, to destroy anonymity, to destroy decentralization. CBDCs share some similarities with stablecoins in that they are linked to the value of a sovereign currency, such as the US dollar. However, there is a crucial distinction between the two. CBDCs are issued and managed by national governments or central banks, while stablecoins are created by private entities on decentralized networks, such as Tether's USDT or Circle's USDC. The two largest stablecoins by market capitalization. The same people that want to see a CBDC, they hate Bitcoin, and they hate cash, said the Texas lawmaker. Let's be clear, they don't like cash for exactly the reason I like cash, because it is not subjected to centralized control, that is not subject to constant surveillance. And so I hope we see growing resistance to a CBDC. Cruz also praised Bitcoin, which he said he is incredibly excited and incredibly bullish on. Bitcoin is clearly the alpha in the current crypto sphere, both in terms of coming first and also being clearly the most dominant, he said. I think the analogy of digital gold is powerful and the insight that led to his creation is still extraordinary. Cruz also revealed that he is personally investing in the leading cryptocurrency, having a standing order every Monday. I own a little more than 2 Bitcoins and I want a little bit more. I bought the dip, which I was quite happy with, but I'm also a long-term investor, said Cruz. I'm fine with some volatility. According to him, one of the attractions of Bitcoin is that it has a limited supply of 21 million coins, suggesting that it serves as a hedge against inflation, a particularly important feature when you have irresponsible politicians in Washington that spend money like drunken sailors. He said, which is actually not fair to the sailors because at least they're spending their own money, added Cruz. Last month, Cruz introduced legislation in March to prohibit the Fed or the federal government from creating a CBDC, stating at the time that the US government had no authority to unilaterally establish a central bank currency. I don't want the government having control over your finances, said Cruz during yesterday's event, adding that one element of President Biden's legislative initiative was a requirement that banks report every single transaction in excess of $600 to the federal government. That means your rent payment every month. If you own a home, that means your mortgage payment every month. If you own a car, most car payments now are north of $600. It is literally the government having visibility on virtually every transaction you're making. That's their stated goal, said Cruz. According to him, decisions like these should be made by Congress elected by the people, not by the Federal Reserve governors that have no accountability to the American people.